everybody. Dr. Rick Wallace dropping in on you. Moving around this morning. Just wanted to stop in and sort of talk about you. This won't be long because I'm almost to my first destination. But look, remember a few months ago, and before that, I told you that if something doesn't change within the Democrat machine, that we were going to get 4 more years of Trump. I also told you during that time that I didn't put a whole lot of weight or interest or energy into it either one way or another, but for those who are living and dying by who's in the Oval Office, I told you that if something didn't change within the workings of the Democrat machine, that there was going to be a problem and that Trump would, get in. Like I said, one way or another, I've paid attention. I know and understand the history of this game, and I understand that blacks have made no progress under Democrats or Republicans. The truth is that some of our greatest and most devastating blows came from Democrats. The disintegration of the black family was under a Democrat administration. The laws that ultimately ushered in the ultra age of mass incarceration was under the Clinton administration. We have seen some great devastation and blows come from the Democrats, and we are just so blinded by the illusion that they are for us that we miss the idea that we've gained no ground. We don't measure our progress. We measure our emotions and how we feel. And so we're happy when the Republicans lose, but we don't realize that we lose either way, and that the only way to come out of this is to actually create opportunities for ourselves that are innocuous to either Democrats or Republicans, that we are not vulnerable to either side or either approach or either policy or philosophy. But I told you, and now we're looking at what happened with the Iowa caucuses and the total collapse. I mean, there were situations and instances in certain areas where Joe Biden, who is considered to be the front runner for the Democrats, didn't even get enough of the support to even qualify, which is a minimum of 15%. So in certain areas, he was disqualified, and the governor had to literally pick up another candidate to endorse because he didn't qualify. And that's your front runner. And Trump is playing all sides. He's despite the image or presentation of being absolutely idiotic and stupid, is got enough people around him to do. I mean, he's like Teflon Don right now, and he's playing the game. And because people don't understand the game, they think that everything is about emotion because nobody likes him and all of this. He won't get elected. He was an idiot and a buffoon when he got elected. And so you got to understand the dynamics of why people do what they do and how this thing works. You got to understand the Electoral College. You also have to understand white fear. You got a lot that's going on right now, so you got to understand all that. I just want to stop in and remind you, remember what I said. The Democrats are just on a downward spiral, and there's anything that even resembles them coming up and doing something that could change the trajectory of what's happening politically in this country. So prepare for another 4 years of Trump. And if you hate him and you hate what he stands for, just prepare to be talking about it for a lot longer than you thought. On that note, I'm about to get out of here. You guys have a great day.